hands on the floor. Locked in my room, can't face the world anymore. Friends say they're dead, but I feel so alone. Scrolling through my phone, stuck in a dial tone. Atomic clouds hang over, drowning in the rain. Can't escape this place, trapped inside my brain. I'm crying out for help, but no one's listening. Drowning in my tears, my soul's withering. Lonely nights haunted by my fears. Suffering silence, no one hears. Passed out, bleeding on the floor. Cause I don't want to be here no more. Broken mirrors reflecting my pain. Can't recognize myself, go insane. Heart's a heavy weight dragging me down. Lost in the noise, can't find my sound. Face masks hiding my scars. Wishing on a falling star, but it's too far. Midnight whispers, shadows on the wall. Echoes of my past, I can't ignore it all. I'm crying out for help, but no one's listening. Drowning in my tears, my soul's withering. Lonely nights haunted by my fears. Suffering silence, no one hears. Passed out, bleeding on the floor. Cause I don't wanna be here no more. Scars cut deep, no butter knife. Unseen horrors, they haunt my life. Maybe one day I'll find the light, but tonight I'm losing in the fight. Battling my demons, can't see the end. Need a way for my soul to mend. This is my fault, don't blame me. Just wish I didn't feel so empty. So write these lines, hoping someone understands the pain inside, it's slipping through my hands. Pain is my only friend in the dark. A lonely heart trying to make its mark. Broken mirrors reflecting my pain. Can't recognize myself, go insane. Heart's a heavy weight dragging me down. Lost in the noise, can't find my sound. Passed out, bleeding on the floor. Cause I don't wanna be here anymore. Cause I don't wanna be here anymore. Cause I don't wanna be here anymore. Scars cut deep, no butter knife. Unseen horrors, they haunt my life. Maybe one day I'll find the light, but tonight I'm losing in the fight.